myself Devashish from experiencebengalhomestays.com. Ministry of Tourism Incredible India Bed and Breakfast Scheme in entire zone of North Bengal create a huge tourism opportunity for the stakeholders. For not only in Darjeeling Himalayas, also in Duars. Rural economy, it has changed through Ministry of Tourism Incredible India Bed and Breakfast Scheme. experiencebengalhomestays.com is a platform where we are working through the people and the indigenous tribes and the village people. Where you can find that in conventional tourism, where it's taking a place, we have found that alternative tourism nowadays, it would be homestays and community tourism.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम प्रकाश चंद्र है और मैं विजिट बिहार डेस्टिनेशन मैनेजमेंट कंपनी का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ। मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ कि इंडिया टूरिज्म कोलकाता ऑफिस के द्वारा हमें TTF कोलकाता में स्टॉल लगाने का मौका मिला और यहाँ अपने बिहार के प्रोडक्ट को दिखाने का मौका मिला। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, बिहार रिलीजियस और हिस्टोरिकल रूप में काफ़ी रिच है और काफ़ी सारे लोगों की दिलचस्पी बिहार आने को होती है। हमारे लिए ये काफ़ी सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम अपने प्रोडक्ट के साथ आज यहाँ इस मंच पे हैं और लोगों में काफ़ी उत्साह है बिहार को देखने, समझने और घूमने का। मैं पुनः सभी लोगों का धन्यवाद कहता हूँ ये मंच प्रदान करने के लिए। धन्यवाद।
My name is Pavitra Devata. My company name is Sand Pebbles Tours and Travel from Odisha. I got a table space in India Tourism Kolkata that gave a opportunity to promote our resort. We have our own resort at Bhitarkanika National Park. Resort name is Sand Pebbles Bhitarkanika Jungle Resort. We have 14 numbers of non-Swiss tent, 6 luxurious tent and 9 non-AC standard tents. We also operating northeast, south and outside international tour we are also doing. And thank you India Tourism Kolkata to give me opportunity to got a table space in their stall.
Hi, my name is Adil. My company name is Star World Holidays. I am representing here Jammu and Kashmir, and Incredible India gives me an opportunity to display my products here. They provide us free space and it is very useful for us because India Tourism has given us this opportunity which no other platform has given us, and we recommend and suggest India Tourism that they will organize those kind of events everywhere in India and also in abroad and give us opportunity to display our products there.
Hi, my name is Saikat Bishwas. I am from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I am the director of Discover Andaman Holidays and I am also the joint secretary of Andaman Association of Tour Operators. I really wish to thank India Tourism Kolkata for the opportunity that they have given to all the registered tour operators to participate in TTF Kolkata. This is a very excellent event and this has given us the opportunity to showcase our tourism services to the world. And I must appreciate the efforts of India Tourism Kolkata to invite us all the way from Andamans, and they have invited other participants from all over India to come here under the umbrella of India Tourism in the India Tourism Pavilion and showcase our products. So this will go a long way in promoting tourism, especially for us in Andamans, and I wholeheartedly thank India Tourism, Ministry of Tourism for all the support they have given to us to come here and participate in this event.